And this is Facts for Frogs, and we've got Meeks, and we've got Neve, and we've got the director and the author, which is Neve, and Tiara. So hello, I'm Tiara. And I'm just going to pass this over to Neve because we're going to be talking about a toad. So, Neve, you grab that camera then. Come on then. Now we're going to go over here, and in this nice little pink tank, we've got a little toad called Elmer. And Elmer is a couple months old toad who we found running along today. Right, so if we turn Elmer around and she stops trying to wiggle her way out, come here. We can see that she's got these lumps here. And those lumps, when she sees a prey, and the prey tries to grab her, they'll obviously eat her full because she's a little small. So what they'll do, they've got tiny little holes in. If we zoom up, we've got tiny little holes in. Trying to get out. We've got tiny little holes in, and they'll spray out a nasty liquid which is white, and that liquid will make it taste nasty. So they drop her, and as you can see, the eyes are gold. Oh, come here.
They're all black as well.
They've got, and all the toad is black, but all the little spots are orange, and you can see the little feet got tiny little flippers. And they're a bit fat, so if you want to recognise this toad, this type of toad comes off the moors. Again, it comes off the moors, and to recognise this type of toad, you have to check the back. If you want to recognise it, you have to check the back, which should have spots, hard spots, and it should be like hard scales, and they'll be orange, them spots.
Oh, this is better.
And they like to eat small insects. And they can be a bit fat if you turn them over, if you wanted to touch them anyway. They're a bit fat and plump, and they're a bit, not gooey, but they're mucousy, so all that slime on them, if she stops jumping. And these small toads, any type of frog or toad, doesn't have teeth. Well, this one doesn't anyway. Even if it did, it doesn't. She's only a baby, and she keeps falling
on the back. Right, just to let you know, they always fall on the back.
Yeah, so if you wanted to hold one of these, just beware. If they fall, they always land on the back. But that's big. They always land on the back, but it won't hurt them because they've got hard scales. They've got tiny little nostrils, and they barely open their mouth. So she's not opened her mouth once today, and she probably won't. I don't even think she can open her mouth. You can see her little eyes.
Because you know, she's just turned into a frog. Cause
yeah, we found her as a toad, as a small
little tadpole.
Yeah.
And then we found her.
Yeah, and then she grew up, and we put her in this tank. She was in a smaller tank, but we put her into tank. So
sorry,
what we do,
properly.
if you wanted to ever own a toad, well, even a wild toad like this, because she was wild when we found that she was in our garden, and because we've got a cat, the cat would have ate her. So what we do, if you wanted an ideal home, you would have to get some rocks. Small rocks, big rocks, medium rocks like this, you would have to put them in the bottom, and then if you wanted to, put a little big rock in the middle, like medium big rock. And as you can see, Elma's like just swimming, and she is here. She's run around here. And if you wanted to decorate it, you could put a little leaf in, but the ideal home is to put a little tiny bit of water so they can actually tiny bits of water so they can actually touch the ground, and some rocks, and then you want to put a big nice ideal rock in the middle, so when they are tired and they're out of breath from swimming, you can put her back, well, she can jump on that to rest. What we've done to decorate it, or in case she feels like she wants to sit on there, we've put a little a little leaf, like just a normal
weed.
Yeah, just a normal weed what rabbits like to eat. So we just put that in there in case she wants to go under there ever. They really like there's these little small creatures. Dogs, shut up! Oi, shut up! We're trying to film here.
Yeah.
Yes. So that's the ideal home. Couple of facts about these animals. They like type of they like to be in like they like to be a bit damp. And they're little figures, and they like to swim, and they like little small rocks that they can actually put their feet on, and they don't like to sit around. They like to move, they're active, and they're squishy, and all these orange bits are to disguise them. Their colour is to disguise them as well, and their big long legs is to help them leap far distances and long distances.
Yeah, and then when you pick them up, it's kind of squishy when you're trying to pick them up, so it doesn't feel like... It feels like chicken, raw chicken.
So, we'll be making another video
About rabbits.
About Elmer, and we'll be making another video about my rabbit who's called Nugget. You'll see him in the next video that we make, and in the next video that we're going to make, it should, if you just subscribe to us, you can ask us what videos you want us to do and what animals you want us to do. So, this, don't forget, she's called Elmer, and we're not sure if she's a girl or a boy.
But we think it's a girl.
We think it's a girl, that's why we call it Elmer. And when she actually when he or her actually develop all her bits and pieces that she needs to reproduce or have babies, have not developed yet. With frogs, when they're a couple months old, their bits and pieces don't develop. It's only the body but not the bits and pieces. You may not see toads eat in the day. You may not see them eat in front of you. You may not even see them open their mouths in front of you. But Elma's not opened her mouth once since we found her. She's opened her mouth in the night because we've set video cameras out.
Right, shut up, dogs!
The backs,
We're trying to do something here.
The backs will be very, very hard when you feel them. Sorry about the dogs in the background. Right, stop it now. Yes, they're a bit annoying. They're fighting. But yes, that is the ideal home for a small toad, which we will be releasing her later. So we'll give you the releasing day, and we'll tell you more about toads when Elma is older, and she when she develops all her bits and pieces, and we'll tell you what sex she is. And just please subscribe. So peace out once and for all. We'll give you everyone who's been involved in this video, including the dogs. So we'll put little Elma back there.
And next time we do a show, we are going to include rabbits.
Yes, our next video is going to be a rabbit. We've already had somebody subscribe and ask us. But we can have dogs, we can have rabbits, we can have birds, we can have horses, we can even have dragons. So, please subscribe what animal you want to have. So, for the last time, give it up for Neve. The two dogs who always play fight, Meeks and Esto, and Kiara and Elma. So please subscribe. Facts about animals.